morning, y'all.
Good morning, Gallivanters.
So, we should say buenos dias.
Yep, buenos dias.
We are still in beautiful Madrid. And today, we are taking a Tuk Tuk tour.
Yes, since Gimpy here can't really walk around.
Yep, we are at the temple here in Madrid, and it was given to Spain by Egypt, I think in the 1800s, is that what you said?
1800s.
There was 4 of them, and I guess they gave them to 4 different countries. I guess supposedly there's one in New York. I did not know that.
No.
But they were getting inundated with water, and they were trying to save them. So it's a pretty popular place here in Madrid. So I think we're just gonna walk you guys around and let you check it out.
Here we go. Okay, y'all, we are in Zoran's Tuk Tuk on his tours, and he seems like a great guy, and it's a great way to see the city. So we will make sure and link to his site so you can make reservations with him when you come to Madrid. But showing us around, and looks like it's going to be a fun day.
Plaza de Toros, you say.
Hey guys, so we are in front of the bullfighting ring here in Madrid. This one was built, I think, in 1929, and it's the second largest in the world. The largest one is in Mexico. I think they said it's 23,000 people. And I know it's controversial. They've banned it in some places, but you know, it is a cultural thing, and so we really wanted to come and at least see the arena. June, part of July, and October are the bullfighting seasons, and we are here in October. They only do it on Sundays. I'm not sure that we would actually come to one or not, but anyway, it's a beautiful building, lots of beautiful tile work, like a lot of places here in Spain, and it's just a cool building. So hope you guys enjoy the walk around.
Y'all, so we are now headed to Plaza Mayor. We just grabbed us a quick lunch.
So over here are 3 of these sculpture statues. I guess they put them up once a year in the month of October, and last year they did 30, and everybody liked them so much, so they did 65 this year. It's by some famous Spanish artist. I don't remember his name. I'm not really sure what the purpose is, but they're pretty cool, and they're all over town. We got some shots of a few of them, but here's 3 of them.
Hey y'all.
Hey, Gallivanters.
So we wrapped up day 2 in Madrid. Day 2, second full day.
Yes.
Third day here actually, and we are currently packing up because we are headed to Paris tomorrow. And we're not too excited just because it looks like it's going to be raining the whole time. But, you know, it's still Paris, so we'll take it.
Can't complain.
We'll take it. Great day today.
Yes, busy day.
Very busy. We saw a lot of the sights. And I have to say, for somebody who's got a rainbow-colored toe going on, this one here did pretty good. She hung tough most of the day. So
Yeah, we did a little more walking today, so
we
it's
did.
getting there.
Yeah, but we also took a Tuk Tuk tour, and our tour guide was awesome. I mean, he did a great job giving us the history and taking us everywhere we wanted to go. You know, we were able to tell him what we wanted to see, just to kind of keep walking as much to a minimum for Trace as we could. But he was a super interesting guy,
Yes.
super nice guy, and we're definitely going to have all that written up in our blog. So you guys make sure and check that out because it was a lot of fun.
I mean, considering all the protests and
Yeah,
everything going on and roadblocks, and he did an awesome job.
we have loved Madrid. We have loved Spain in general.
Yes.
Definitely somewhere we're going to come back to, spend more time, explore some more cities, but obviously do a deeper dive in both Barcelona and Madrid, as well as doing side trips and going to other places as well, because we've really enjoyed it, and the people have been super nice. The food's been great, and Madrid seems to be less expensive than Barcelona, just based on our experience with taxis and food and even the ho-ho buses.
Yeah.
Everything seems to be a little less expensive in Madrid than it is in Barcelona. So for what it's worth, it's not a super expensive city from what we've been able to tell.
No, I mean, it is a very clean city.
Well, but they both were.
Well, they
Both-
were, but I think Madrid just seems a little cleaner than Barcelona,
Yeah, it might.
in my opinion.
It might be. They're both very clean. I mean, they're large cities, but great public transportation. Taxis are everywhere. The people are great. I mean, we've really enjoyed it.
Yes.
So we hope that you enjoy the videos from today and the whole series on this trip. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you want to see more of our videos, please hit the subscribe button. And if you want to be notified when new videos come out,
Ring the bell, ding-a-dong.
and as I mentioned, everything will be written up on our blog at gallivantinggals.com. And until next time, just remember,
Live your best life.
bye y'all.
See ya.